In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page title in WordPress without using a plugin. If you're looking to clean up your WordPress site and present a more streamlined look, this is a great technique to know. It's a simple process, and you'll only need to add a bit of custom CSS to your theme. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with WordPress, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. First off, let's get started by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Right after you log in, you'll be on the main admin screen. From here, navigate to the left-hand side of the page and locate the Pages option. Clicking on this will bring up all the pages you have on your website. Next, select the page where you want to hide the title. Simply click on the page name to open the page editor. Once you're there, note the URL of the page. It's essential because it contains the page ID, which we will need to create a specific CSS rule. To identify the page ID, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. The number right after post is your page ID. Keep this number in mind because it's pivotal for the next steps. With the page ID at the ready, it's time to head over to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Customize, and it will take you to the WordPress Customizer, where you can make various changes to your site's appearance. In the Customizer, look for an option that allows you to add custom CSS. Depending on your theme, this could be labeled as Additional CSS or simply Custom CSS. Click on it, and you'll see a text box where you can input your code. When you're in the CSS area, this is where you'll apply the magic. Enter the following code, .page ID 123H1. Entry title, display, none. It's important to replace 123 with your page's actual ID number that you identified earlier. This CSS rule targets the specific page where you want to hide the title and effectively tells the browser not to display it. After you've entered the code, take a moment to preview your changes. Most WordPress themes will show you a real-time preview on the right side of the customizer. Ensure that the title is indeed hidden from view. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Publish button to save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully hidden a page title in WordPress without needing to install any additional plugins. Remember, this method is great for one-off situations where you want more control over your page's appearance. For more frequent adjustments, though, a plugin might offer more flexibility. But for those quick and impactful changes, this is a fantastic solution. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.